So here's what we have. We have some economic data that's already come out this morning. We got some housing market numbers. That was a slight miss. 36 on the housing market index versus a 38 expected. More weak housing. We also got Empire State, which is a slight beat at 7.1, but it was less than last month at 7.7. Now, for the week, we've got a couple big data points. We get durable goods on Wednesday. The very volatile headline durable goods number, it was up 5.3%. It's now expected to be down 2.3%. Ex-transportation, that's the volatile part of durable goods, that smooths out from up 0.5 to up 0.3. So we'll watch durable goods. Then on Friday, we get two key data points. First, GDP. It's a little complicated. This is, though it's mid-February, this is the first look at fourth quarter GDP. Normally that would have been in January, but in January we got the final third quarter GDP. So we'll get the first look at fourth quarter GDP, and then we'll get one on March 13th and March 27th. That'll be the second and third look. Now the expectations are from GDP to go to 4.4 to 2.8%. Personal consumption expenditures from 3.5% to 2.4%. Then the most important data point of the week, I shouldn't say most, but it's equally as important as GDP, is personal income and outlays. Why? Because of the PCE data that we get within that number. And here's what we're looking for in terms of PCE data. Headline month over month, up 0.3. That would be a tenth more than last month. That was up 0.2. Year over year, 2.8%, down from 3%. Remember, CPI beat by 0.3 in its year over year number. So that one will be worth watching. Then the core PCE, maybe the most important part of that, is they're also looking for up 0.3 on month over month, and year over year from 3% to 2.9%. Now, this is important because remember, with the good inflation data that we got, the Fed will certainly be looking at core PCE. With that, we'll also get some Fed minutes on Wednesday. I think Walmart's earnings Thursday morning are critically important to the overall market. Watch gold, watch a 10-year yield that approaching 4%.